After 6 years living in Italy and see almost whole states and capital in Italy, it's time to see one of the most beautiful and a stranger city and a state in Italy. It's city famous for food, pizza, people, mafia, and Maradona. Let's see Napoli together. Finally, we have arrived in Napoli. I feel a bit strange. I don't know, a bit weird. So everything is different than other parts in Italy. Uh, I want to share every single piece of this strange thing with you. Let's see. Napoli. Okay, I have seen something, one of the most stranger things in Napoli. I've never seen this kind of things in the north of Italy. So you can see many motorbicycles without helmet. I'm waiting. No, they have it without helmet. All 3 passengers. How is it possible? I'm waiting to hunt one of them. They have it. I don't know how. I don't know how police officers, they cannot control them or they cannot stop them. I think it's a common thing. I'm here in the bar, half an hour. I have seen almost 10 motorbicycles without helmet or 3 passengers in Europe. Can you imagine? In Napoli? Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this, look at this. Look at this. This is one of the best examples. Look at this, 2 passengers without helmet. They are gonna change the driver, okay? He's gonna move with... Okay, can you see? Oh my god. So I'm gonna leave my telephone here because it is super strange for me. They have passed a lot of motorbicycles in one-way direction. Okay, look at this. Look at this one of them without helmet. Look at it is one way. He's going this direction without helmet. How is it possible? Oh my god. You can see thousands of them in 1 hour. I'm gonna show you. Let's wait. They pass a lot. Oh my god, how is it possible in Italy, in Europe, motorbicycles can pass without helmet, without respecting the direction of the streets? I don't know, honestly, guys. I love it. Personally, I love it. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. How was it possible? It's a bicycle, 2 passengers without helmet. Honestly, I cannot. It is like a country in Middle East. I don't know how is it possible. The police officer, they do not check them. I don't know. Or maybe they don't care. They don't have any feelings of fear. Let's see another one maybe. I don't know. I'm waiting. I'm gonna hunt them. It is just look at one of them. Okay, can you see? Oh my gosh. No, this one is educated. I don't know. Okay, and this one. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, how is it possible? No, this one is working. No, it's good. It's good boy. Another one. Let's see. No, they don't. They have it. They are good boys. Okay, another one. Let's see. Oh my gosh, guys. How is it possible? I don't know. Honestly, I can't understand. Look at this. How is it possible? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Many of them. Children without helmet. Wife without helmet. No, this one they have. Good guys with cigarette. They are with cigarette. Okay. Ho visto. Con sigaretta, ho visto. And they have children without helmet, guys. How is it possible? In Napoli, the only places I think in Italy they don't care about this.